If you get financing for an investment property from a private or hard money lending company, you will be charged an origination fee, also known as points. In this video, I'll explain what origination fees are, the typical fee charged by most lenders, one scenario to avoid it, and how to find out the approximate origination fee when searching for a lender. I'm Rocky Butani, CEO of PrivateLenderLink.com, where investors and brokers can easily find direct, private, hard money lending companies. If you're in the investment real estate business and want to gain insights into private mortgage lending, subscribe to our channel and get notified every time we release a new video. The origination fee in a private mortgage or hard money loan transaction is a percentage of the loan amount which the lender charges just for originating the loan. Origination includes sourcing the deal, underwriting, processing, and all the other work involved in funding a loan. The origination fee is a profit for the lender, and without it, they wouldn't be in business. Origination fees are more commonly known as points. This is the term that most brokers and lenders use in conversations and advertising. The term origination fee is more formal and typically only mentioned on the term sheet or the loan documents or the settlement statement. You won't hear a lender saying, "We charge an origination fee of 2.5% of the loan amount." Instead, they will likely say, "We charge 2.5 points." In commercial real estate deals, a lot of lenders and brokers use the term basis points, which is just a different way of stating the percentage. So an origination fee of 2.5 points may be stated as 250 basis points, or 250 bips for short. In the rest of this video, I'll use the term origination fee and points. Just note that it's the same thing. So what are the typical origination fees charged for private mortgages? In general, it ranges from 1 to 4 points, and it can vary based on a number of factors, including the loan amount, the loan type, the property type, location, and the borrower's financial situation. The majority of lenders charge between 2 and 3 points. You may find some lenders that charge 1 to 1.5 points, but this is not common. To get less than 2 points from a private lending company, it would have to be a very large loan amount or very low loan to value. Or you may get this pricing if you're a mortgage broker working with a lender that offers a wholesale pricing program. On the high side of the spectrum, you may find some lenders charging up to 4 points because of a low loan amount or if the loan has a higher risk profile, which many other lenders won't consider. Some examples of this include a rehab loan with very high leverage, land loans, a second mortgage, a rural location, or a unique property type. If a lender doesn't have a lot of competition for the type of loan you're seeking, they may charge a higher origination fee just because they can. There may be some cases where a lender would charge up to 10 points on a loan, but that's only when the loan amount is less than $50,000. And speaking of small loan amounts, there are not many private lending companies out there that will lend less than $50,000, but we do have a handful listed on our website. For residential investment properties, most of the lenders in our network have a minimum loan amount of $100,000. Now, what if you're working with a mortgage broker and not directly with the lender? Mortgage brokers also charge an origination fee. As with lenders, the broker's fee may vary based on the loan amount, but in general, most brokers charge 1 or 2 points for private and hard money loans. The broker's origination fee may also depend on how many points the lender is charging. If a lender charges 2 points, the broker will typically be limited to charging 1 or 2 points. Most lenders don't allow the broker to charge more points than they do. It typically has to be less or the same. I've seen some lenders have the policy to cap the total number of points that a borrower would pay, and those lenders may be flexible with their points to make sure the broker also gets a fair amount. There are some cases where the broker charges points and the lender doesn't charge any points at all. You typically only see this happen when the lender is a high net worth investor or a family office investment firm that doesn't participate in the origination process because they are not qualified to or because they don't have a license and are not permitted by law to charge an origination fee. If you are adamant about not paying any points, you may be able to negotiate with the lender to eliminate the origination fee and get charged a higher interest rate instead. For example, if a lender quotes 8% plus 2 points, you can ask for 11% and 0 points. This would only make sense if you're positive that the loan will be paid off in a short period of time, but it also has to make sense for the lender, and there would likely be a minimum interest guarantee. Only a small percentage of private lending companies may consider this. Before you ask for this, run the numbers to confirm that it makes sense for your deal. There is so much detail I can go into about all the fees that lenders charge and various ways to structure deals, and I plan to make additional videos to cover that in the future. However, I want to mention one thing regarding fee structures. The lender charging the lowest number of points may not be the lowest price loan. You have to review all the other fees that a lender charges in addition to the origination fee. I'll give you an example. Let's say you want to borrow $200,000 and you receive quotes from two lenders. Lender A is charging 2 points, but they also charge an underwriting fee of $1,000, processing fee of $500, and a loan documents fee of $500. That amounts to $6,000 in fees. The other quote from lender B is 3 points for origination and no other in-house fees. That also amounts to $6,000. So both lenders are charging the same amount of fees, but structured in a different way. The point I'm making is you shouldn't write off a lender just because their points are higher than other lenders. You have to dig a little deeper and look at all the other fees the lender is charging. If you're looking for a private or hard money lender, use our website privatelenderlink.com as a resource. There's no fee to search, and you'll find a lot of details about each lender, including the points they charge. For all lenders that provide investment property loans, we require them to state their minimum and maximum origination fee. You'll see this in the search results and close to the top of the lender's profile. If you found the content in this video to be useful, please click the like button and be sure to check out our other videos about private and hard money lending. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.